Hey guys, we're doing the 3-box break team draw. It's 8:45:56 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants. We're going 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, teams. Team draw. We're going 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Who has the bottom? Grizz. Parakura. He is one lucky dude, I'm telling you. Very lucky. Random is complete, and the teams are Sash with the Celtics, Mark Skinner, Kings, Damo with the Rockets, Mr. Holland, Clippers, Mason, Nuggets, Sash, Pacers, Boyd, Raptors, Brad with the Hawks, Timothy, Knicks, Millie, Lakers, Cam with the Hornets, Rodney, Wizards, Jason, Sixers, Indy, Warriors, Mason, Thunder, Cam with the Pelicans. Ooh, will he get another one? Scotty Rhodes, Magic, Rodney, Heat, Kaylee, sorry if I said it wrong, Jazz, Mose, Bulls, Phillip with the Nets, Craig with the Bucks, Cam with the Spurs, Boyd with the Cavs, Jonathan Wolves, Rodney with the Blazers and Pistons, Brandon with the Mavericks, Chloe with the Suns, and Parakura with the Grizz. That is the teams, ladies and gentlemen, or just everyone. I hate you.